Alright, so my Something Awesome project is a submission form for mechanical keyboard switches. So currently in the community, users can create their own switches and submit them to a Google Sheet, but they're currently able to submit whatever they want, so there's no verification. And my project aims to add a layer of verification, so people can't just input whatever they want. So right now you're seeing the login screen, and it has its own unique URL at the top. You can sign up with Google, or you can continue as a guest, and you can see the code for the login screen on the left. So I can click on sign in, it'll ask Google, and on success, it'll continue me to the submit URL. So here I can choose whatever I want, and let's say I want to create a new combination of something. So I can choose whatever I want, click on submit. You'll see at the bottom, it'll send the data. You can see my Google details down there. And then you'll see that on success, it'll submit. And you can see what I just submitted just got added. If I go back, I can click on sign out, and I can continue as a guest if I want. And I can submit something else maybe. Oh, I can also search switches if I want. So if I want to do mix black, I can do that. And users can't actually insert their own text. It has to match something that they put in. So if I give it some garbage, like this, and click on submit, it'll say missing valid switch part. And you can see that the one that I just added got added, and it was anonymous, so there's no name left. Also, if I give a submission that's already been done, so something like this, you'll see that it has already been submitted. So there is some extra layers of verification. And I do that by creating tables. So these are the two routes that my front end uses, and there's a bunch of constraints on the back end that will prevent the incorrect thing from being inserted. And there's also a way for me to exclude certain combinations that we know that do not work. And you can see that I have a whole file for just submitting, and I made sure that everything is resilient against the SQL injections by not using Python script formats.